Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So number 1, you're going to tap send. Then number 2, select Solana. Step 3, enter the amount of SOL you would like to send and confirm the selected assets in Solana. Number 4, enter your Solana address and select continue. Then 5, confirm the transaction details and select send now. So you're going to see it there. That's going to be the amount that you will choose. It's going to show you the amounts that you're about to send from which asset to another account. And then it's going to say payments received. And then it's going to show you the network fee and the total. So you're going to go to the bottom there, then select send now. When using the web, you will need to open the Coinbase mobile app and confirm your send. So if you're using the mobile version, you're going to go to tap send. Then number 2, select Solana. Number 3, enter your Solana address and select continue. Then number 4, enter the amount of SOL you'd like to send and click preview. Then number 5, confirm the transaction details and select send now. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.